So in today's video, I'm going to be upgrading the RAM in this laptop. So if you don't know how much memory your laptop has, or you just want to double check, the simplest way to do it is just go to the Start menu, click on the cog there for Settings, click on System, scroll down at the side to About, and you have it just there. So 4 gigabytes of RAM. Alternatively, you could just right click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. But again, it brings you to this. So click down to About, and then you're back here. And again, it just shows you here 4 gigabytes of RAM installed. Another way to check, if you right click on the button and go to Task Manager, go to Performance, and then click on Memory at the side, it shows you we have a total memory usage of 3.9 gigabytes, which we're using 3.3. So there's 85% being used at the moment. And all I'm doing is screen recording this via Zoom. It's not very intensive, I would say. So there's quite a lot being used. And that is one of the reasons why I will upgrade this memory from 4 gigabytes up to the 16, which I'm going to do. And that is what I'm going to show you next. So the tools I'm going to use for the upgrade are a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a thin credit card type item, as I cannot find my plectrum. Now these last two items are here to pry open the base of the laptop. If you don't have any of these tools, I will leave links in the description below. I will also leave links for the RAM I'm using in the upgrade, and links for the laptop, which is an HP laptop. The actual model number is HP14 CK0517SA. So first off, we're going to flip the laptop over, and as you can see, there's two screws on the bottom here, but there's also some hidden underneath these rubber pads, which we need to remove. The plastic prying tool will help any stubborn spots. It has revealed one screw here. So you can see here as well, we revealed another 1, 2, 3 screws there. There's that one there and these two here. Now these two, I think, are different sizes to these. Right, so let's take these screws out. Start at the back, just underneath the hinge of the laptop, is there's a slight gap there where you'll be able to get the prying tool and start popping the base cover clips off. Now just work your tool along the side until you hear the clips just pop. And once you feel you've finished the back of the laptop, open it up and then start working on the frame around the outside where the base joins the top of the laptop. Again, just getting your prying tool in the gap and working it along. Sorry about getting me big head in the way, but it has reminded us I do need to build some sort of overhead camera rig. Once you remove the plying tool, credit card, plectrum, whatever it is, around all three sides of the base, the bottom should come off. So this is what the inside of the laptop looks like. You have the battery here, the SSD next to the fan, and you have 4GB of RAM here, which I will replace with 8GB. And then there is a second slot here where I'll put a second stick of 8GB of RAM. So we will zoom in on the RAM. In each side of the memory, we have two little metal arms holding it in place. What you need to do is gently pull them out and the RAM will just pop up. Like so. Be very gentle with these arms though, because I have seen on other videos where someone's used too much force and they've bent them out of shape so the RAM doesn't actually click back in place. So this is the RAM I've taken out, and it's a 4GB stick by Samsung. And I'll be replacing it with two 8GB sticks from Crucial. To install the RAM, you just want to slide the new stick into the RAM slot where you took the old one out of. And once it's in, gently press down on the top of it until the arms click into place. Now for the other side. You cannot insert the RAM facing upwards, so what you have to do is flip it over and have the Crucial label facing upwards. And the same again, just gently slide it in and then push down on it until the arms click into place. And there you have it, the RAM is replaced. And now we just have to put the cover back on the bottom of the laptop. First, click the laptop cover onto the bottom. Make sure you snap all the way around the outside so they've all clicked into place. Also, open up the laptop and just check it has clicked in properly around the top side as well. Then we need to put the screws back in, remembering these first two are a different size from the other ones. And once we've got all the screws back in, we can now turn it over and see if it reboots with the new RAM in. So here goes. Well, at least it's turned on. So after booting up the machine, I have logged into Zoom to record this. I'm just going to check to see if the RAM's installed okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Start menu, then Settings, System, About, and there you'll see 16GB of RAM installed.
What else I'll do, I will go into the task manager and show you the performance of the new RAM. So we are currently using 3.9 gigabytes of the RAM, but it is only 25% of the total memory, yet before we were using around 85%. So it has improved our performance. I will leave links in the description below of the laptop and the memory I've used in this upgrade. I will also leave links to the tools I've used in this video as well. But that is it. That is how you upgrade your memory in an HP laptop. Not hard at all. I mean, I'm no tech expert and I completed it in less than half an hour, and I'm sure most people will be able to manage it. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz. And why not check out one of our other videos while you're here? Not all of them are tech related, mind, but don't let that put you off. And hopefully, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.